In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize order fulfillment on Shopify. Whether you're just starting out with your online store or looking to refine your operations, customizing order fulfillment can significantly improve your efficiency. So let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin page. This is essentially the control center for your online store, where you can manage your products, view orders, and configure settings. Make sure you're logged into your account and head over to the dashboard titled My Store Home, Shopify. This dashboard is your starting point, and from here we'll make our way to the necessary settings. Once you're comfortably on your dashboard, look to the bottom left of the screen where you'll find the Settings option. Go ahead and click on it. Here you'll see a variety of options related to your store's configuration, including general settings, billing, and much more. For our purpose, we're specifically interested in the shipping settings. Next, when you're in the Settings section, locate Shipping and Delivery. This is where you can manage all sorts of important details related to how your products reach your customers, from delivery methods to shipping rates. Click on Shipping and Delivery to access a more detailed menu. Now that you're inside the Shipping and Delivery settings, we want to focus on Custom Order Fulfillment. This feature is especially valuable if you have a unique way of fulfilling your orders, or use specific third-party logistics providers. Selecting this option will allow you to tailor the fulfillment process to meet your specific business needs. After selecting Custom Order Fulfillment, you may notice there's an option that can be highlighted, indicating additional settings or options that may be relevant. If you see a highlight option, click on it. This action might bring attention to settings or partners available for enhancing your fulfillment process, ensuring you're maximizing the tools at your disposal. And that's it! By following these steps, you've now adjusted your custom order fulfillment settings on Shopify, allowing you to have greater control and more flexibility according to your specific supply chain needs. Remember, a well-customized fulfillment process is critical as it can improve both delivery times and customer satisfaction. So, take some time to explore the options available and make adjustments as necessary to best align with your business model. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful for customizing your order fulfillment on Shopify. Make sure to revisit these settings periodically to ensure your processes are always optimized for your evolving store needs. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.